Hello, WolfPack. So I just wanted to share with you a little bit about how to buy the Saitama Wolf Pack token. I know that it's a question of people might be wondering if you're hearing about your friends and others who are interested in this. It's a meme token with a lot of narrative going on and a great community growing. You may wonder how to buy it. Now, please note this is not technical advice. It's not financial advice. And this is just for educational, informational purposes only. But I'd like to just share with you how to buy the Saitama Wolf Pack token. Now, this is paired with Solana. So it's on the Solana blockchain. So you can Google how to buy Solana. You can do it from a centralized exchange and then send it to your Solana wallet. Or you can also go right inside of the app that I'm going to show you in a moment, and you can buy in there, in some cases, using a credit card or a debit card or a bank account. So let me just show you, there's a couple of different ways of getting that Solana, and then it's very easy once you have your wallet to save that and swap that Solana for the Saitama Wolf Pack token. Note that our abbreviation or cash tag or ticker is SWP. So if you see $ SWP, that's short for Saitama Wolf Pack. Please note that this is not related in any way specifically to the project called Saitama or Saitama Inu that has had some issues lately. This is actually a community that had invested in that meme token in the past that's reuniting, and our goal is to make a brand new token with a fresh start and get a second chance to do what we wished we had done and wanted to do the last time around. So let's take a look here. I'm going to pull up, this is the Phantom wallet. So if you see the wallet dropping down here, it's the Phantom wallet. Now I already have a wallet here, and it says Tom's wallet. So you can go into your wallet. Now if you want to, now this is a Chrome extension. So if you have Google Chrome, you can add an extension for the Phantom wallet, and you can actually create a wallet right in there. You can also set up a wallet on your phone, and you can download in the App Store or the Google Play Store the Phantom wallet. Now note, when you download the Phantom wallet, it's going to give you a couple of options. One of them is to import a wallet that already exists. So you may already have a Solana blockchain wallet, or you can create a brand new one. Now note that if you create a brand new wallet inside of the Phantom wallet, you can actually have all sorts of different tokens in that wallet. You can even use the base chain. You can use the Ethereum blockchain.